In this video we're going to explore the box plots in a little bit more detail. So the first thing we need to know is what a box plot looks like and the features of each. So this box here in the middle, this rectangle, if you look at this middle line, this is the median. The bottom of the box is the lower quartile, so the bottom 25%. Here is the upper quartile, and then we have the minimum and the maximum here. So often this is the lowest value and the biggest value that would go at the extreme, sometimes called the whiskers. Now, some other features that you need to be aware of here is the distance between the lower quartile and the upper quartile, which is called the interquartile range, and the distance between here and here, the minimum and the maximum, is called the range. So if you ever need to find out those values, let's say this one is 80 and this is 15, you just have to subtract those two numbers. 80 take away 15, 65 is the range, and then this might be 22 and this might be 60. So 60 take away 22 is 38. So the interquartile range would be 38. Now, a very, very common part B after constructing a box plot would be to compare two box plots with each other. So if I had another box plot underneath something like this, like that, and they're on the same kind of grid, then a lot of students want to talk about the range or the minimum and the maximum of the data. And that won't get you any marks, unfortunately. The only thing the exam is interested in is the median. So you might compare the median of two groups. It could be literally anything like heights or screen time or something like that. So for group B, this one here, the median is 55 compared to 45 for group A. So the median is higher. And then the second bit of information they're interested in is the interquartile range. So the interquartile range for group A was 38. For group B, let's say it's 50. Then the interquartile range is larger for group B than group A.